What's up, guys? As you know, the spring Do Work giveaway is over. I know you've been waiting with anticipation to see who won, and we're doing that just today as promised. We use a third-party company named Viral Sweep, collects all those entries, and we press the button and it randomly spits out who the lucky winner is that gets to choose one of the 4 trailers. With no further ado, let's draw it. We have one winner, and the winner is Ryan Thorman. All right, guys, we have confirmed that Ryan Thorman is the winner. He's legit. He followed all the rules, and so that's who we're going to call. We got his number dialed up. Let's give Ryan a call.
Hello.
Hey, is this Ryan?
Yes, it is.
Hey, man, do you have any idea who this might be?
Well, it says Jacob Crab.
On your caller ID?
Yeah.
What the heck? Anyways, so I'm Jacob from Diamond C. So do you have any idea why I may be calling?
No way.
Dude, way.
Are you serious?
Yeah, man. So, I mean, you're in Arizona, I'm gonna get.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Well, yep, you definitely have won. We just did the drawing via Viral Sweep, and your name is the one that came up.
Oh my God! After the week I've had, I'm like, whoo!
That's awesome.
Amazing.
Yes, sir. That's very cool. Yep.
Yeah.
So there's just there is one question. Do you have any idea which one you may pull away from here with?
I'm gonna have to say it'd be a